Now the second problem, integration 0 to infinity x to infinity e raised to minus y upon y dx dy. Now since the limits are in terms of x, means we need to integrate first with respect to y, which is quite difficult because we have two functions of y which are in division. Okay, so what we will do, we will draw the given curve. Yes, given, what is given, y is equal to x and y is equal to infinity, and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity. So try to draw this. This will be, yes, y is equal to x means straight line passing through origin, that you know very well. Y is equal to infinity means it is the straight line somewhere at infinity on y-axis. Okay, so we cannot draw it over here because this line is at infinity. Now x is equal to 0 means this y-axis, and x is equal to infinity means again straight line which is at infinite distance from y-axis and parallel to y-axis. Okay, now what we can say is, due to this line the area bounded becomes only this area, and this will continue till y is equal to infinity. Okay, now what is given, y is equal to x and y is equal to infinity means vertical strip is given. What we need to do, we need to make it a horizontal strip. Okay, now clearly you can see that what are the limits of horizontal strip, x equal to 0 to x equal to y. So this strip will start moving from y equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity. Means what are the new limits of x equal to 0 to x equal to y, and what are the new limits of y equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity. Okay, now so integration becomes 0 to infinity, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to, constant limits you should write first, and x equal to 0 to x equal to y e raised to minus y upon y dx dy. That is I is equal to 0 to infinity 0 to y e raised to minus y upon y dx dy. Since the limits now are in terms of y, integrate with respect to x first. Okay, so e raised to minus y upon y and dy as it is. What is the integration of dx? X, 0 to y. Substitute the limits. It becomes 0 to infinity e raised to minus y upon y. What is the upper limit? Y. What is the lower limit? 0 dy. Now you can see that this y and y gets cancelled. So integration becomes I is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus y dy, and you know the integration of e raised to minus y is e raised to minus y upon minus 1, 0 to infinity. Take the minus sign outside, e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 0. What is e raised to minus infinity? 0, and minus e raised to 0 is 1. So this becomes 1.